crafters, Valentine's crafts are popular with all ages. The traditional Valentine's candy, conversation hearts, are also popular, so why not add them to your holiday decorations? Using the candy hearts as inspiration, needle pointers would like to show you how to make a Valentine's Day candy wreath. With a few easy-to-find items, this wreath can be completed in about an hour. If you purchase the items at a dollar store, like Dollar Tree, as I did, the project is also inexpensive. My completed wreath cost me only $4, so continue watching this video to see how to make it. To make the wreath, you will need a styrofoam wreath, ribbon to cover the wreath, hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, and conversation heart candy. To construct the wreath, begin by hot gluing the ribbon to the wreath. And begin wrapping the ribbon around the wreath, and every so often use a little hot glue to hold it in place as you're wrapping. Continue wrapping until you have the whole wreath covered. You may be curious as to how much ribbon you need to cover the wreath. This is a 10-inch wreath, and I used 7/8 inch ribbon, and it's 21 feet long. And I covered the whole thing, and I do have a little left over that I can either tie a bow or use it for hanging the wreath. After the wreath is covered, it's time to start putting on the conversation hearts. This is where I started and stopped my ribbon, and I am going to have it hanging. So I am going to start putting candies like right next to where that ribbon would be. You start by just putting some hot glue . And then randomly place your candies on it. Now, as you're doing this, you can put some along the edge also, like this. You can also put them on top of each other if you'd like. Just continue to put the candies on there until it's completely filled the way you would like it. I'm going to continue to work on my wreath, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get finished. I have finished my candy wreath. I placed the candies on the front and the side. You can also place them in the back. Another thing I want to mention is, as I was placing them, when I came down towards the bottom, I turned the candies in the right direction so that they're facing up. I hope that you can see it in this video. After the candy wreath is completely finished, you may want to spray on a layer of clear sealant. The sealant will help preserve the color, keep bugs away, and make it moisture resistant. Did you like this Valentine's Day project? Get out your glue gun, purchase some candy hearts, a styrofoam wreath, and ribbon, and start making this project. Please like, share, and comment, and pin this craft. Subscribe to our channel and follow Needle Pointers on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. Interested in more free Valentine's crafts? Go to our website. Needle Pointers wishes you a happy Valentine's Day and happy crafting.